Traditional frame construction is costly, requires extensive labor and materials, and cannot be installed in inclement weather or below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, limiting the construction season. It often requires separate insulation to be applied, adding more man-hours, more cost, and additional trades. Now there's a better way. Introducing an integrated wall solution. It starts with Nudura. Walls are stacked and steel reinforced. Concrete is poured between the forms, making super strong, super insulated walls. Nudura can be installed in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit, -23 degrees Celsius. And the man-hours are significantly reduced compared to frame construction. Faster build time, increased ROI, structural design flexibility, and lower cost of ownership. Build smarter. Dryvit's reinforced base coat provides impact resistance to the wall. And Dryvit comes in a wide array of finish options for any cladding look you want. Sealing joints with Tremco sealants completes our integrated wall solution. Fewer trades. No multiple warranties. Means no finger pointing. Any stone or masonry. Terracotta. Metal composite panels. Reducing the whole wall cost. Want the look of brick? NewBrick is lighter, costs less than an installed traditional brick wall, and can provide the hottest looks in brick. Introducing the next big thing in fully integrated wall solutions.